Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are great. This is a spoken English course and I'm following the question answer pattern to teach you how to talk, how to communicate with each other. For example, you have made some friends from other countries, from abroad, and you're asking them some questions. So today's topic is house. You may ask about the location, about the houses. First, I have divided into three parts. You may talk about the size, and then location, where is the house, and then some general questions. First, if you want to ask about the location, you can say where is your house located, or where do you live. That is a common question. Where do you live? Where are you from? That means where is your house. So the person tells that he's from Canada and he's living in David Street, and he's from Shadbagh, he's living in house number this or that. And then the other question, is it a crowded area? The area where the person is living, is it a crowded area? You can ask the next question, is it a crowded area? That means, do a lot of people live there, or is it a silent or a quiet place? The next question, would you like to change this location, or you are satisfied with the environment? Sometimes you might have heard a lot of people saying they want to change their house, they want to go to a better location, they want to move to a better house. So this is a valid question. Would you like to change this location? Do you want to change your house? If you want to talk about the size, sometimes people get confused how to say Merla in English, how to say Sukhair in English, how to make sentence structure with using the specific terminologies which are used by the property dealers. So don't worry about the specific sentence structure. You may ask, is it a big house, or do you have a big house, or how many rooms are there? For example, I have written this question here, how many rooms are there? Is there any swimming pool? That means if you are concerned about to know about the size of the house, you may ask indirect questions. For instance, if it is a swimming pool there in that house, it must be a big house. You may ask about gym, a big kitchen. So these are the questions relevant to the size. And then few general questions. How long have you been living here? That means, how much time have you spent in this house? How long have you been living here? Do you live with your family or alone? Sometimes people who are single, they are not married, they like to live in a separate house, and they live in far from their parents, sometimes for job reasons, sometimes they are studying, they are at university, or they are doing some courses in other cities, so they live alone. So that is a relevant question. Do you live with your family or alone? The answer would be, well, these days I'm studying at university and I live alone. Well, my parents live in another house, that is in our village. And then you can tell about the village. So this is very important. You start your conversation with these questions. For instance, I have asked you these questions. How would you answer? Pick up any of your favorite questions and then try to answer in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. Bye.